plus and minus minus. Plus plus is increment operator. I can say this is used on pre-increment and then post-increment. And again, another one is pre-decrement and post-decrement. So this is pre-decrement operator and post-decrement operator. Now let's try to understand. Suppose if we have a variable int, let's say, let's put j, right? J equal to, I'll say 5. And if I'll do right inside printout, so I'll write here j plus plus, right? So what will happen in this case, right? If I'll do j plus plus, so plus plus means what we are doing, add 1, and minus minus means subtract 1 in the previous one, right? So subtract 1 from the previous variable and then add 1 in previous variable. For example, here we have written int j equal to 5, and then we are doing j plus plus. Now plus plus means it will do post increment, and whenever if you are writing in print statement, then first it will print and then it will increase, right? If you are writing inside println, then you have to remember first it will print and then it will increase the value. So here we have written j plus plus, that means I will not get 6 in output, but I will get only 5, because it will print 5, but in memory, right, j is changed to 6. Just you want to check, you can simply write here j, right? After printing this, again just print the j value, you will see 6, right? So we have few more use cases on this one, plus plus and minus minus. Suppose if I'll just write here j plus plus, in the next line also I am writing j plus plus, and then in next line I'll do plus plus j, right? And then if I will print it j, what will be the output here, right? Let me print it first. So I am getting 8. Why? Let's see. So I have here written initial value is j equal to 5. Now we have done here j plus plus, that means till here it will be 5 only, but in memory, right, it will return 5, but in memory it is 6 because of the plus plus operator. In the next line we have increased value, right? So we have 6, so it will print here 6 only, but in memory we have changed to 7 at this line. And once it will reach to this line, now we have used plus plus symbol. So the plus plus symbol means first it will increase this, first it will increase the value in memory and then it will return here. That means here it will become as 7, and in memory also we have 7, and then 7 is till here, but after increasing 1 it will become as 8, and then in memory also we have 8. So final output we are printing as 8. This part we need to understand clearly. Let me show the same thing in here. So we have, let's say we have written int a equal to b. Yeah, that means in memory we have created one box, right, and this box name is a, and I have given initial value as 3, which is fine. Now if I will write here a plus plus, or let's say simply I'll say SOP, sys out, and I am writing here a plus plus. So what will happen here if I'll write sys out a plus plus? This post increment means this value will return first. That means I'll use the pencil. Yeah. So this value, right? This value will return first to this one, right? and then plus plus will increase 1. So first it will return this. So return this, and after that it will go and change the value. So it will go and change by plus 1. The step is first it will return whatever thing is available in memory. So in memory we have 3. So output we will get here 3. Right? We will get output as 3. But in memory now, because of plus 1, this one is changed to 4. And in output you will see only 3, because 3 is returned, right? 3 is returned first and then it is going to change. Similar thing happens if you will write the plus plus a. Let's say if I'll write here plus plus a, right? If I will write plus plus a, in this case it is saying first change this, right? So in memory first it will go and add the plus 1, and then it will return whatever changed value. So we have, let's say, 4 to 5. So now 5 will return from here. If you will do plus plus a, it will change in memory and then it will return the data. Same thing is happening here, right? Let me show you one more example. This part we need to understand. Let's say I write int c, right, equal to 2, and I am doing here c, let's say plus plus c, and then c plus plus. And if I'll write here sys out c, right, what will be the output? Can you tell me? So you can tell what will be the value here, and then at this place.
At 4.
Okay, so here what will be, what we have at line number 27?
Plus plus c.
3. No. Yeah, 3. So initially we have given 2. After performing this thing, what value will be available? 2. No. The problem is, you can see here, the plus plus will change first and then it will return value. Right? Plus plus means it will change in memory and then it will return. That means at this place we will have 3 only. Since it is pre-increment, we need to increment first and then it will return. Now in this case it is saying first return the value. I am returning it, and then it is saying increment 1. So now at this place we will have 4. Right? So final output we will get 4.
So second C++ means we should get 4, like it is not 3, right? It is 4.
Actually it is, because we are doing plus plus, right? That means post increment. First it will return the value and then it will increase. Although by writing this one, right? So if you will do println here, right? Let's say if I'll do sys out println, yeah, then you will not get here 4, right? You will get only 3. And if you will do sys out here also, yeah, this is what I'm trying to say. So now if I'll do plus plus, then I will get 3 from here and 3 from here also. Let's see, you can see 3 and 3, and then in the final one you will get 4. Okay. And the same thing will applicable for minus minus as well. So if I will write minus minus, that means I am just subtracting from this 2. So here it will become 1, and then if I'll do again minus minus, then what will happen? Here it will be 1 only, but in the final output it will become as 0. Right? So if I will run now, you will see 1 1 and then 0. It's just similar to plus plus. Alright, now let me confuse you through some more example here. So here we have, I am writing C++, C++, plus, and then I'm doing plus plus C, plus, and then I'm saying C++. Now tell me what will be the output from here. this is addition, arithmetic operator, addition. And it will start calculating left to right. So you can tell me what will be the final value after
10.
performing this.
Is it 10? Is it 10?
10. Okay.
10.
No.
Is
No,
it 10?
it will not reach to 10. No. So let's start from basic, right? We have initially 2. So once it will reach to this line, this part, what value we will have here? Let me just type it here. C plus, no, it will return 2, right?
2.
Because we are doing plus plus. That means in memory actually it changed. Now we have plus symbol, which is fine. And then at this place, in memory, we already changed to 3, right? And then here we have one more plus plus. That means it will become as 4. And then we have plus. And it will return. No. I mean, whatever thing will change, that will retain in memory, right? It will not become 2 again. So now we have 4. Till here we have 4. In memory also we have 4. So we are doing now plus plus, C plus plus. That means it will be 4. All right. Yes. So you are right. It will return 10 only. Yeah. So the final output will be 10 from here. But in memory, actually it will change to 5. So C value is 5, but total output here is 10. Yes. Correct. Right? If I will print here now only C, then you will see that C value is 5. Okay? Because in memory it changed, although it is not used. But if I will just change this one plus plus C, then output will be 11. First it will change in memory and then it will return the value. So output will be 11 here. Yeah? And in memory also we have 5. I'm hoping this pre-increment, post-increment, I mean this unary operator, you are able to understand. Yeah.